Hey, Rob. This is Rob at Money's Car Stereo. We talking with Pee Wee. Pee Wee, who you riding with, baby?
Man, Players Club.
Players Club?
Yeah.
Was you always with the Players Club, or you
I
was?
used to be with the Shadows.
Man, what? So we're breaking down the bike, and we created another 3.0 system. My man Pee Wee made the mistake of sitting on my bike, and you see what's happening.
Got bit.
Yeah.
So it hurts.
And he had the bag lids. Tell me, how was your bag lid scenario?
It was a hassle.
It was a hassle?
It was a hassle. It had the goods and it had the bads.
Uh-huh.
So really, if you want a space, yes, that's great.
Yeah.
For the space. So you put your stuff in and everything.
Yeah.
Comes to the water putting in there, you ain't got it waterproof, you're gonna have some issues.
Okay. So so the speakers you had in there, they died due to the water.
Due to the water, yes.
Okay.
You know, if you have Marines, you might have survived.
Yeah.
On it. But it was a hassle. It's a very good look.
Yeah, because you got it all painted uniform. Some people be bullshitting and leave it glossy black, and they be like, "What did you do that for?" But I see what's going on.
Those are some of the things that got good on there.
Okay.
Some of the bad things is that though, man, it muffles the sound on certain times if you don't have it correctly.
Yeah. I see you put the baffles in there. Did that help?
It did help on the bass.
It did help on the bass.
It did help on the bass.
Okay. Okay.
Helped a lot on the bass. The other thing was that you got to use Loctite. The screws was backing out.
Things trying to escape.
Hitting hard.
Oh, he was hitting hard. They're trying to get him out of there.
Hard, but I guess it was on there. But every once in a while, I had a screw back out.
Okay.
I
Okay.
had to go back in there, put it back in.
All right.
Loctite in there.
Okay.
Loctite did a good job on it, but before you didn't know it, the Loctite, man,
Loctite unlocked itself.
Unlocked itself.
Okay, so y'all see us Players Club, man. I rode with a few of them cats, G-Note and them, man, and y'all be moving kind of fast on the freeway, man.
Yeah,
Silk and them, I had to get out the way. Now, I thought I was going fast. They were going faster.
They ain't going fast.
For a long distance of time. I was hitting clocking the 80. They were clocking more like the 100. So I was like, man, let me just bow down and let y'all do y'all thing. But as y'all see, man, you got a name for this bike, man?
You know what, man? It's still GP just like the license plate says.
GP. Uh-oh. Okay, there he is right there. Okay, so yeah, we got the Sony 7000 in the house right here.
5.
Oh, it's a 5. Okay, it's a 5. Okay, but 5 and 7. I think the 7. I think the difference. They said the buds were sealed, but he's been through the rain and they survived. You know, my man Big Sale, he just switched to them new. What did he switch to them sound streams. My friend Carlos at NVS, he says it goes GTS, Soundstream, then the Sony now. Sony was number 2 next to the GPS. How do you like this the Sony radio?
I really like it on there. The only thing I think would be the negative on it, that when you click on it, it shoots up to a certain spot.
Carlos did make comments. If you tap this button too fast, it's gonna run to the top.
It's gonna run to the top.
It's gonna run to the top. If it runs to the top,
it'll run to like 27. It'll run to 27 like that on you. If you got a program, mine's I got it somewhere. I got it set up. It stop at 27 now. But man, you ain't got it yet. Let's go to 35 on you in a minute.
Okay, and so 35 when it goes to the top, y'all, that can cause speaker damage because it'll take the volume all the way up. So you gotta be with this and just tap, tap, tap. Don't run for the top. Yeah, but otherwise than that, we finna start on them today. Like I said, this is the second one of the new year. We got new bags coming in. We got some secret sauce going up in there. We ain't even gonna show you what's in the fairing over there. Nothing but some hamsters and marbles and dirt rocks. You know, that's about what's going on up in there. So we finna get it going, y'all. Stay tuned.
There you go.
There you go. When you're working on somebody else's project, sometimes the weak link can be exposed. I'm sitting here. Yeah, look at this. Then caused me taking amps off the bike, reworking all kinds of stuff to find out we got a problem. Yeah, that part.